How to make faceless YouTube shorts using AI. This is a new feature of invideo.io. So go over to ai.invideo.ai/sign up. This is just released, just in the last few days. So if you go to InVideo, you won't find it. Go to ai.invideo.io/sign up. Let's have a look. So we're logged in, and this is what you can do. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So let's click on YouTube, and we're going to click on continue. Client services, content creation. We're just going to go with content creation. So basically we just have to set up a profile. So let's move on with it. All right, so we're going to create a YouTube short, about. All right, so I've just put in here, create a YouTube short about roadmap to riches versus legendary marketer 15-day business builder challenge, comparing the $7 cost compared to the master resale rights. Now, it's pretty smart, probably even with a spelling mistake, it would do it. All right, so we've added a little bit more in here. Compared to the master resale rights and why the roadmap to riches is better, tell to click link in description. So we're not going to worry about subtitles. You can use any voice. We're going to choose, well, let's say on a male voice, clear American voice, and we can change that after. All right, so let's click on continue and see what it comes up with. So try these YouTube shorts, is what I told it to do. So now we'll just click on generate video, creating it in front of your eyes. The power of AI. This is how you can create a faceless YouTube short using AI in less than 5 minutes. So here's the title it's come up with. Roadmap to Riches versus Legendary Marketer, the $7 showdown. You can see it, AI, it's going out to the internet, it's getting access to everything it knows about it, and it's creating the video. So we'll click on continue, analyzing it, planning the script out, as you can see, so it's 1% down here. It says you get a license with the stock video, the stock images that it's using. Might take a few minutes, so we'll come back in a moment. So as you can see, it's still generating the video, so it's generating in 480 pixels, but we'll be able to download. That's only because it's quicker to do it. We'll be able to download it in full HD. All right, I'm going to tell it to replay that. It'll need a couple of edits. I didn't give the script enough. All right, so I didn't give it an accurate enough script to do it, so we're going to have to go in and edit some of it. So I've just clicked on edit the script here, and I'll go through and edit the script, and then I'll come back and show you what I've come up with. All right, so I've come back, and as I said, I didn't put in enough information in the script, so I've edited the script, the text of the script, and then I'm going to apply the changes, and it will now redo the script again. We'll come back when that's finished. All right, so I had a quick play through it. Let's go back, and I'll play it for you now.
A roadmap to riches that costs less than a quarter the price of most other training course. For just $497, this powerful online training can set you on a path to financial freedom. But how does it compare to the legendary marketer 15-day business builder challenge? While the roadmap to riches offers master resale rights, it's the value of the information that truly counts. The roadmap to riches provides step-by-step online video training and proven marketing strategies, making it a clear winner in our books. It's not just about the master resale rights, it's about knowledge, training, and outstanding results our students are getting. So the 15-day challenge will only cost you $7? The roadmap to riches is $497, but to get the same information, they upsell you to a course which is $2,500. For more details and to get started, click the link in the description below. Start your journey to financial success today. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself.
All right, so there's a couple of edits I need to do in the script, and then we'll go and change some of the media, and then I'll come back. All right, so I made a couple of changes to the script. Again, I had a couple of spelling mistakes in there that I picked up when we were going through. I'll let you listen to it before we go and change the images. So you're watching how to make faceless YouTube shorts using AI. At the moment, it's still rendering. All right, so it did come up with a message there saying customers who have subscribed to this get priority. So it was generating the paying customers. Videos ahead of mine. So let's go and have another listen now.
Imagine a roadmap to riches that costs less than a quarter the price of most other training courses. For just $497, This powerful online training can set you on a path to financial freedom. But how does it compare to the legendary marketer 15-day Business Builder Challenge? While the Roadmap to Riches offers master resale rights, it's the value of the information that truly counts. The
Powerful.
Roadmap to Riches provides step-by-step online video training and proven marketing strategies, making it a clear winner in our books. It's not just about the master resale rights, it's about the knowledge, the training, and outstanding results our students are getting. So, the 15-day challenge will only cost you $7. The Roadmap to Riches is $497, but to get the same information, Legendary Marketer upsell you to another course, which is $2,500. We also show you how you can get started using all free tools. You can even sell the course as your own with the Master Resale Rights License, which you get when you buy. For more details and to get started, click the link in the description below. Start your journey to financial success today. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself.
Well, pretty good, isn't it? Considering I put the wrong information into the script, I was able to go in and edit it to what I wanted it to say, and then it's generated that. Right, so let's now have a look at edit the media, which is the stock video pictures they're using. We can actually put our own images in here. So you're learning about this with me, because it's the first time I've used it as well. So let's go here, and so what we can do here, it says stock at the moment. I can upload some images. Let's say I do a search for master resell rights and see what images can come up with. Apply. So it's doing a search now to see what it can come up with. Let's have a look here. So I think it's coming up with videos. I just want an image, so I will replace it in a moment, or I'll upload one. So look, I couldn't find what I was looking for, and instead of waiting to upload and search, I've just chosen an image here, and it will replace that. Then I'm going to go through and choose the rest of them that I want to edit. It's as simple as clicking on the image, and then it'll update it, and we'll do them individually. So it looks like it's updated, so we're going to go back to edit image again. Where did it change it? So I'm just going to replace this image here. Image that I was going to replace before is too large, and for the sake of the video, it would have taken time to have to go back and play with the size. We'll replace this one. I tried searching for 15-day challenge, but if you wanted to, you could go and download images, then to your computer, and then upload them from there. All right, I've gone through, changed a couple of images. Let's have a quick look.
Imagine a roadmap to riches that costs less than a quarter the price of most other training courses. For just $497, this powerful online training can set you on a path to financial freedom. But how does it compare to the legendary marketer 15-day Business Builder Challenge? While the Roadmap to Riches offers master resale rights, it's the value of the information that truly counts. The Roadmap to Riches provides step-by-step online video training and proven marketing strategies, making it a clear winner in our books. It's not just about the master resale rights, it's about the knowledge, the training, and outstanding results our students are getting. So, the 15-day challenge will only cost you $7. The Roadmap to Riches is $497, but to get the same information, Legendary Marketer upsell you to another course, which is $2,500. We also show you how you can get started using all free tools. You can even sell the course as your own with the Master Resale Rights License, which you get when you buy. For more details and to get started, click the link in the description below. Start your journey to financial success today. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself.
Okay, not too bad. All right, so here's the finished video. This is what it came up with.
Two paths, one leading to the Roadmap to Riches, the other to the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Which one do you choose? The Business Builder Challenge may sound tempting, but here's the catch. It costs $7. Sure, it's not much, but every penny counts, right? Now let's talk about the Roadmap to Riches. It offers master resale rights, an invaluable asset for any business owner. Sounds expensive? Think again. The Roadmap to Riches, hidden charges, no gimmicks. It's a no-brainer, isn't it? Why pay when you can get more for less, or rather for nothing at all? Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description and see for yourself why the Roadmap to Riches is the smarter choice. Remember, the road to success is paved with smart decisions. Make one today.
And that is how you can make faceless YouTube shorts using AI. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It'd be great. And hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I upload new videos. And if you've got any comments, leave them below as well. And in the link below, you'll get access to free landing page software autoresponder called System. Click on that link. And if you're interested in learning how to do all this, there'll be a link in the description, the second link in the description, to siphon profits. I'll see you in the next video.